Ooh, here's something you like when animals attack magicians.
Pick a card. Any...
That's awful.
Awful entertaining.
Oh, my stomach hurts. Mom, I don't feel so good. Ooh,
What is it, honey?
my tummy really hurts.
Somebody wants Mommy to change baby's diapers.
Is that somebody you, Homer?
Yes, it is.
Okay, then you can take Lisa to Dr. Hibbert's.
Great. Maybe on the way back, we can swing by the demolition derby and have a nice talk.
Sounds great.
Lisa, I'm afraid your tummy ache may be caused by stress.
Well, that's a relief.